Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Paxful wallet address on mobile in a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the Paxful app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the wallet icon. This will take you to your Paxful wallet. Inside the wallet, you will see different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tether, and others. Tap on the currency you want the address for. Let's say Bitcoin. On the next screen, you will see options like Send, Receive, and Convert Bitcoin. This will show your Bitcoin wallet address. You will now see your wallet address as a long string of numbers and letters. You can either copy it by tapping Copy or share it directly by tapping Share if needed. And that's it. That's how you find your Paxful wallet address on mobile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials from Financify. See you in the next video.